When I think of immersive media, what I'm really talking about is extended reality technologies, new forms of communication technology that we're seeing blow up right now.
Like augmented reality, virtual reality, extended reality, social virtual worlds. Those are all immersive media that kind of take you into the screen.
From the communication standpoint, you know, the IMC program is really going to be designed to create thought leaders in that space. How, where, and why do we use this technology?
This is really for any media maker. I think that's really the genius of this program is we have a lot of faculty who study immersive media in very different ways. You're going to have a really broad understanding of what immersive media is.
That was a really valuable experience for me, is just having faculty and staff who, you know, have worked in this field, in this industry for years and years and years. They were always so great to come alongside and encourage and support and get you on the right track so that you'd get to that finish line.
We are surrounded by 2D screens 24/7. And one of the things that immersive media helps you do is kind of bring a little bit of wonder to the viewer.
Video is everywhere today, right? And video consumption continues to increase. All of this should be more immersive than it is today. And so I think there's great opportunity for someone that's actually focusing on this for their communications program. Every single agency out there needs an immersive strategist.
There is a need for more talent in this field. I am big on the belief that the more folks that are trained, the more students that are trained to be able to learn about this media and be able to produce immersive experiences, the better for all of us. And I think the future is here in a program like this.
I always say I want my work to matter, and this program, the program I took, really helped me find a way to do that through communications. The power behind immersive technology is that it really tricks our brain into thinking that was something we really did experience. And so when you can show somebody that level of detail in being somewhere, they feel more compelled to be a part of the solution.
So those students that are coming in with that passion to change the world are looking at the power of these technologies and go, if I can figure out how to harness that, creativity, strength, effectiveness, all of the impact that comes with immersive, our students are going to learn, and they're going to ask, and they're going to poke at, and they're going to carve the path.
We want to have diverse voices at the table driving how this technology is being used in the future. Programs like IMC are going to carve out a really necessary piece to that puzzle.
I want this technology to be used in a both ethical way, but a meaningful way. When I say meaningful, I mean we should be telling stories in ways that benefit society, that make our world a better place.
And we have to figure out how to use it, how to be the ones in there being content creators, but creating content that's interactive and that's engaging and that is immersive. It's only limited by our imagination. Anything is possible.